Today, I'm doing something kind of fun, something a little different regarding condos in the Pattaya area. What I'm gonna do is hook up with a few real estate agents that I know, and we're gonna look at what you can get for different price points. In this video, we're looking at units under 3 million baht, and just show you what you can get, kind of like newer, older, bigger, smaller, what's available for under 3 million baht. What's up guys, it's Greeny, and this is gonna be the first of a series of videos. This one, like I said, we're looking at units under 3 million baht, but we're gonna be doing other, like maybe 3 to 6, 6 to 10, 10 up, maybe some houses. I wanna show every array of price ranges and tell you guys what you can get for that money. If you like this type of stuff and you're interested in looking at real estate and properties in Thailand, here in Pattaya in general, make sure you subscribe, like the video. We'll be doing quite a few more of these. This first unit we're looking at is Arcadia, and Arcadia is kind of in the middle near Pratamnak, near Pattaya Thai, not too far from Walking Street, a very central location. So I'm gonna show you around, and this one's very affordable. It's a newer construction. It is in a Thai company name. It's in a Thai title. You can open a company, put it in the company name, and it's pretty easy to do. They walk you through it. Okay, we're gonna look at the model right here, and this is 1.7 million, about 27 square meter, little 1-bedroom unit. Let's check it out. Here's the bathroom. And if you buy through the agent, they will provide these things. If you buy through the builder, I think you have to provide your own appliances. And this is the model. It's by the courtyard, but they have other units available here. But this is what's available for 1.7 million. Got one AC there. And a second AC unit here, so nice little cozy unit, much better than staying in a hotel, I would think. And you know, if you're just coming here for vacation every now and then and you want something that's your own to keep some of your stuff in and always have a place, it's not a bad price. 1.7 million baht. All right, let's take a look at the pool and the gym. I told you guys before, a lot of these new developments, you know, the units are a little bit smaller in a lot of them, but you get great amenities. And check out this pool. I like this. They got nice chairs out here. I've been to some buildings where it's just the chairs are a train wreck, and this looks really nice. Nice place to lounge at the pool. Great area too. You got access to everything from over here. Jump on the Baht bus, go wherever you want. Jomtien, Pratamnak, Central Pattaya. Let's take a look over here. See if I can get into the gym. Okay. Oh wow, nice. Oh, somebody's working out. I don't want to bother them, so I will flip around this way. So you got 3 treadmills, and you got a little bit of weight. So this is it, 1.7 million Arcadia. Let's go look at some different variations, see what there are for under 3 million baht here in the Pattaya area. I'm at another unit now in Central Pattaya. This is the Olympus, and I'm on the outside right now, and I'm pretty pumped up. This is pretty impressive. Just the aesthetics, the way it looks. A little bit more money though, 2.7 million for about the same size, about 27 square meters, but really eye-opening, really a lot of curb appeal, if you will. That's what I would call it. But let's go take a look at this unit. Okay, so this nice young lady is going to show us the unit. What is your name?
My name is Ray.
Okay, Ray will show us the unit. So there's 6 buildings here. Each building has its own dedicated gym, and I'll show you guys that. Show you all around. Let's go look at the unit right now. So this is the 2-bedroom Olympus, and it's 3.9 million. But the reason why I'm showing it to you in this video of 3 million under is that there's a sister project that's has not been completed yet. You can order a unit, the same unit, for 3 million. It's called Harmonia. It's off plan, and it's the same as this. It's the same builder, same everything, and you can get that one for 3 million. That's why I'm showing you this one here. That's interesting. Isn't this interesting? Look at this. I've never seen that before. Look at that. The door, and then it just slides open like this. That is so cool. So off-site, off-plan, Harmonia, in the same area. We're near 3rd Road and Pattaya, Thai, Central Pattaya. 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit. And here, like I said, 3.9 million, but Harmonia, same unit, off-plan, 3 million. So what we have here is the 1-bedroom, 27 square meter. They're asking 2.7 million for this. If you get it off plan at Harmonia, it's 2 million. So different price range. The difference is this is much closer to Soi Buakhao. This is a very central location, 3rd Road, Pattaya, Thai. Great location. Basically same units at Harmonia if you want to save some money, but this location is amazing. Harmonia is a very similar complex. Same amenities, same everything, just a little less expensive, and it's off plan, so you have to wait for it to be finished. Now check this out. It's a Murphy bed, so this could be your office and your bedroom, however you want to do it. I have not seen this in a unit before. This is something totally new to me. And in the 2-bedroom unit here, they also have a Murphy bed in the 2nd bedroom.
Hello everyone, I'm Fa. So we are here at Olympus City Garden, Pattaya. So here we have 6 buildings and all of the facility that you're gonna get. We have fitness, sauna, stream room, and also 5 pools. Yeah.
Very impressive, very impressive. Do you know how many units are in the whole complex?
It's about 1,060.
Wow, very big. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, and you were going to show us the fitness now, right?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Okay, let's go. It's right there, fitness, sauna, stream room.
Oh, okay, by pool.
By pool, yeah. We have this in 3 corners, here and back there one, and another corner.
Okay, Fa, so you will show us this?
Yeah, this is the fitness area, and we also have steam room, sauna over there. Yes, this is sauna room.
So we have, let's see, we have 2 treadmill, a little bit of weights, some equipment. Okay, and you said 3 rooms like this?
Yes.
3, okay.
Yes. So we have 3 facilities like this at the 3 corners. So you're gonna got pool, fitness, and sauna. Yeah, same.
Nice, very good, very good. There's also some studios available over at Harmonia, 20 square meters starting at 1.5 million. So that's available too. I like this one, Olympus, because it's so close to Soi Buakhao, 3rd Road, so many things to do. Now, if you purchase here, they have a financing plan. You could move in at 50% and they hold the Shinote and you have a year to pay off the balance and you're good to go in case you don't have all the money up front. Also, if you happen to be an investor and you want to buy units over here, they have a management service. I'm not sure the percentage, you could probably work that out with them, but they'll manage your unit, collect the rent, take care of everything for you. Now it's raining, so I didn't go up to the roof, but every one of these units, there's 6 different buildings. They all have like a sky lounge on top. I'm not gonna go up right now. There's no pool, but there's seating, trees, you know, it's real nice. If you're interested in any of these, in the description, I'll have some information for Primus Property. They're the ones that brought me over here. This is not one of my listings. This is their listing. So just contact them, or you can contact me and I'll get you in touch with them. If you're interested in renting something over here, they have units starting at 12,000 baht, studio, all the way up to 2 bedrooms. So different price ranges. And like I said, they manage units if you're an investor. So there's rentals, there's things to buy, everything here. If you're interested in the rental, you know, golfsunproperties.com, shoot me a message, and I'll definitely have one of my Thai lady real estate agents come and show you a unit. The last bonus of this place is the underground parking. Let's head down and check it out. So all this underground parking, it's huge. It's huge under all these buildings. And I noticed that they have like all kinds of drains coming down. So I don't think they'd ever have a problem with flooding here like some units may in Pattaya. Also, this is not the high flooding area like near Soi Buakhao and Soi 15. So I'm pretty sure that will not be an issue. Looks like they've done a lot of work for that, but pretty sweet guys. On to the next. All right guys, now I'm at Nordic Park Hill and Pratamnak, like center Pratamnak, right down there, cozy beach. But these units are much bigger, much more bang for your buck. These are gonna be, give or take 80 square meters, maybe a little bit more, a little bit less, under 3 million. So this is really getting bang for your buck. A little older units, built in 2007, but that's what I like. Lower rise, it's only, I don't know, what is this, like 4 or 5 floors, and it's a huge footprint, 10,000 square meters here. Huge footprint. You can't even buy land for what they bought this for. That's why the price is still low. The land is an awesome value. And I'm gonna show you, they got gardens, they got pools. We'll go look around. Let's go check it out. So we got covered parking here. Let's head in, check it out. Little reading room, the mailboxes. Similar to where I live, you know, lower rise. They used to build them much better, I think. I like the way that the old ones are built, just solid. Everything's stone. Take a look at the pool. We'll go look at the unit in a minute, I guess. We'll go look at this pool real quick. We're here, what the heck? I love this Pratamnak area. I'm so jealous. Like, I gotta drive everywhere. Like here, you can just go walk and eat. I wish these would have been available when I was looking. This might be perfect. Look at this. Look at all the. I can't tell you how it smells back here. If we had smell-o-vision, you would know. It just smells like flowers. So here's the gym at Nordic. Very basic. You can get your cardio in. Similar to a gym at my place, just basic stuff. The thing over here at Pratamnak is you got Muscle Factory so close, everybody goes there and works out. And there's also a few other gyms in the area as well. But you know, come down here, get your cardio in, a little bit of dumbbell free weights. Not bad. Nice to have. This one is just around 80 square meters. 2.92 million, something like that, just under 3 million baht. I'll put the exact amount in the description, but 1 bedroom here, little living room. Let's look at the kitchen. And if you purchase this, you'll have to furnish it yourself, but I would assume anybody that purchases it may want to you know, maybe do their own painting or their own decorating. For under 3 million baht, I mean, this is a pretty nice size unit for this location. This is the primo location in Pattaya, Pratamac. Let's look at the balcony. Wow, holy cow. You could have a party or two out here. And there's the beach right down there. You can see a sliver of water from here, second floor. But I mean, a restaurant there, you got King of Coffee, a couple blocks away, you got condoms and cabbages or whatever, and Three Mermaids, chocolate factory, muscle factory fitness. So this is a great area. This is a ton of room for this price. Another one here at Nordic on the second floor, 2.9 million, 81 square meters. And it's a little different layout, I gotta show you this master bedroom because it is huge. Look at this. See, the other one had a bigger, like, living room. I like this though because it's just one big open floor plan. Nice. Very good values here, very good values. Take a look at this balcony. Okay. So yeah, quite a different layout, much smaller balcony, and obviously they'll be building something here, so we don't know. Don't know what will be built behind it. That other one had the road view, so a little bit better view, but I like the layout of this one a little bit better. And this one is a little bit more move-in ready, I think. Looks like newer tiles. But just whatever the preference is, if you like that layout or this layout, for under 3 million baht, these are amazing values. I mean, really amazing. If you wanted to make this into a rental unit, you know, maybe do a little remodeling or, you know, build in like a bed or something, you know, frame it in and add the TVs and everything. Definitely a lot of potential for under 3 million baht.